Do you have?
Oh,
Oh,
Salutations, my children.
to be fair, more Poon for me. Wow. To be fair, I don't really care about going up in rank right now. Like, I'm chilling at GC. I just want to be good, like better. Like,
I just want to get to
improve.
GC too.
Really, I don't really care for that. Ooh.
I was just Mac close to it before, and
Okay.
you guys both on.
Yeah, I don't know.
Up the wall is fine.
Fuck. Oh, that's you. Oh, that's you. Nice.
There you go. Nice. See, I don't know, like, I wouldn't be able to do that, like, at all. Like, I'm nowhere near the ability to, like, air rolling. Well, I actually barely air rolled. But, like, with air roll right,
Yeah.
it's really annoying.
I guess for you, it isn't as hard to learn aerial right because you haven't been using an aerial, like a binded aerial button. So.
Yeah, no, not at all.
For me, that should be like impossible. I don't know. It's like not even worth it.
No, I mean, I've gotten better with it. I've had, like, a few air dribbles with it. But I still just don't feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Wow, these guys are actually
I don't
just
really
not
use
reacting.
when I go for like shit in game. I don't really use. I always kind of turn it towards like I know how to do, instead of just actually putting in the aerial. You see me? Woo!
Nice. Good shit. Am I recording? I better be recording. I'm gonna rape someone. I'm not recording.
Wow. He has 6 points. My son more Poon for me has 6 points. We've been carrying him.
It's been a minute.
Oh yeah, a minute, bro. A minute and you only touched the ball like what, 3 times?
That happens. Why am I still on the? Why am I still on the ceiling? What? It's over me. Oh,
That's fine though.
on the wall with it. Oh wow, what the fuck?
I'm gonna win on wall. Wow.
Nice, good block. Good beat. Back down to you.
Ah, fuck, too far.
It's fine. Just good attempt. I'm on this. Not to score, but I just want to keep it in.
Nice.
Nice demo.
Okay. Oof. Fuck, he took the boost.
Pop out the wall.
I was gonna see maybe if I can fake it, but couldn't grab that shit.
I got.
Oh, you see me.
I don't. Let me go for this. I'm gonna rape so many children. Sorry. I just really want to hit one in game before I actually like start passing off the ceiling. Although I should definitely just not be a dickhead. Nice.
Oh, that's my bad. I should have definitely won that.
Nice. Try to back foot. Wow.
Oh, he just missed. Oh, more Poon. That was kind of valid.
What the fuck? Nice
Nice.
pass.
I want to just move faster, more like faster and more consistent.
Did you just cancel it?
Like the
Cancel that hit or no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Word. Looked fire. I told you, like, I feel like even like it just has more power for some reason. I don't really know why.
Wait, did Morpoon take the back and right boost? God damn.
Probably.
Bro, chomping
Come
on
on,
that
bro. He's
shit.
more poon. Chomping on boot. Alright, actually, I just used right there. That wasn't too bad. I just have to like be aware that I'm like free.
Or
I know you're not going for this. Middle, someone's scoring that.
oh, Morpoon, come on.
Oh. Wow. Hit me. Hit me right, Justin.
Ooh.
Hit me, baby,
defend
one
that
more
shit.
time. Yay! I got a reward. Thoughts on the Holocaust? I'll save that for next. Save that for next match.
I'll save that awesome banter for next match. Or oh, yo, we're against Morpoon for me. That's
But
fine.
we got Bobby though.
We got Bobby Boy. Oh, yo, Logic. Okay. The music sucks now, but
Okay,
it used to be
we're
fire.
losing.
It used to be fire. Oh, we're losing. Like, see that aerial? It was so fucking slow.
I didn't see that. Alright, you?
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, the only thing is I was there, but I don't know why I was there because I don't have boost. Nice, that's my bad. The thing is I was gonna like hit it again, but one of you guys hit it. Nice. Oh. Oh, that was good. That was good.
Thank you, thank you. I beat all three of them? Get fucked. Yeah, I know I couldn't shoot it because it was just too far forward, but
I'm gonna wait one more hit and then. Okay, I'm pretty sure someone's behind me. Yeah.
I don't want to go for that. Oh, Bobby Boy flick him. Nice. Fake, get shit on.
He bump you?
Nah. He just took the boost. I was there, but honestly, it really wasn't
Oh, he
that.
bumped the shit out of me. Oh, that's fine.
Oh, wait, I missed.
Nice fake, idiot. Okay, it's Bobby Boy. Better know there's chocolate and vanilla. In another. Oh, fuck. In another Ella on the nuke to Godzilla. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing about threes. Everyone's monkeys. You really don't really have that much time to do anything.
Oh, that's fine. It's better than whatever the hell I was gonna do. Kind of passed it. Nice.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
no
damn
one's
it.
there.
Fuck.
Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of. Yo, I had 8 fucking points?
You have to set this shit
Yo,
up,
what the fuck is happening? Shut the fuck up, bro. Before I put another Cartman cartoon on your ass.
bro. For what?
Before I put another fucking Cartman cartoon on your ass. Like I did in the last video.
Word. I was like, that's like the weirdest insult I've ever heard in my life. What the fuck are you saying?
Fuck. Nice.
Ooh, nice block.
I'm waiting on his hit.
Bobby? I...
Bobby boy, Bobby boy.
What a shot! Boom!
That's logic for you, bro. He's
Oh my
biracial.
gosh! Oh my gosh!
Don't
He
forget, bro. He's
biracial.
biracial.
God damn! He took his black powers and combined them with his car. And had the ultimate shot.
Damn. Wait, is he not going for the boost?
Nice.
I have 2 boosts.
Alright, get out of here. Oh, I could have shot that. Oh. Give me life, give me life, give me life. You guys are both up?
No, Bobby boy! I had a different angle on it. I had a better angle on it.
Wait, I suck at this game. Okay, cool. Wow.
I fucking knew they weren't gonna shoot anything. That's why I just like didn't try to rush anything. Wow.
Nice. Flick it, flick it, flick it. Nice. I'm bang
I
off the
have 0
ball.
boost.
It's fine. Hey. Bobby, come in. Ooh.
Ooh.
Come inside my mouth. Hey, nice. Pick up my balls. Put me on the couch. Hey.
Okay, well, that's what I was gonna go for anyways, so.
Bobby? I know, right? It's not funny when they just do it for you.
Someone go for that. There we go, Bobby boy. Bobby boy.
They're all up.
Jesus Christ. He's hitting that. He didn't hit that. Son of a bitch. I should've just went back. Fuck, that's on me.
That was hella brave of you.
Hey, bro, that was a good hit on him.
Oh, no, that was good.
Yeah, but I definitely just should've went back. That'd have been way easier.
That went nowhere.
Well, your last man back. You're good though, you're good though. Yeah, what's up, Bobby boy with the demos?
Ah, damn.
Oh, Jesus Christ. It's fine, Bobby boy's here.
God damn.
Alright, I'm play a little more smart.
I just sucked that dude off.
I have 0
Love Aiden
boost.
Ross. Ah! Nice, Bobby. Whoa, Bobby.
Oh! I can't lie, that was like the worst time to miss that.
And I mean, they faked, I guess.
Fuck. Thing is, the speed flip I get there on time. It's just I just flip the wrong way always.
How do you always flip the wrong way? That's really weird.
Yeah, the thing is, it's like I know where I should flip, I just don't though, because I'm fucking retarded.
Is it like slightly off, or you like just literally flipping like the wrong
No,
direction?
I just never cared to like actually like try the kickoff. So I would just like flip in like a direction that obviously like that to me, even to me, was like very obviously not the right direction. I
That's
just don't-
mad weird.
Yeah.
I don't really know what the like. I don't know what you mean. Like after
It's like yeah, like after I do the speed flip, I get like you like
you
flip
always
in no
you always
direction.
just flip the same direction.
Yeah, for the most part. I never like try and like see where the other guy's coming from or whatever. I kind of just flip.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Which would definitely
Just shoot
should
it as,
care
like, a
more, but I
50.
don't really care.
Like,
I know,
literally just
like
shoot it
I
as
know,
a-
I know how like I would 50. Like I should like that car right there. He came in from the a little more from my right. So if I like turned my car more and flipped that way, it would have went the other way. I just don't care.
More.
That's weird. I like subconsciously don't give a fuck.
I know, like you kind of just zone out, right?
Yeah. Pickle. What's on pickle?
Rick. Like that. Damn. Alright, he's gonna bring up the wall. I'm out of here. Pickle, you got gang. Wow. Sorry.
We got that.
Yep,
Nice
pickle
beat,
go.
pickle.
Hey. Oh, you got it there? Nice. Holy fuck.
Oh, he actually hit it. Fuck.
Guys.
Ooh. Oh wow, that was a lot slower than I thought it was. Fuck me.
That's fine. I mean, you were there and you got beat, but like, I'm pretty sure Pickle was behind you and
Yeah, Pickle's
cheated
just
for no
kinda,
reason.
yeah, Pickle's just kind of went with it. Let me try with this kickoff. Yay. No, that shit doesn't really help.
Pickle, don't fucking fake me, dude! God damn!
At least you know he has.
True. I should have still saved it. I really can't blame it on him.
Oh, he like stopped trying. What the fuck?
I know. I say no problem, so hopefully, I don't know. If he's like stressed, he might fumble more. I'm not actually sorry though.
Pickle please, pickle please, pickle please. Oh, I fumbled that, I fumbled that, I fumbled that. That's fine. Oh, I did not see that shit. Oh, it's open.
Nah, that was really
Pickle?
weak though. Pickle, please.
Oh.
Nice.
Wait, did he just straight up shoot that? What the fuck?
Bro got 4 points.
Got bumped.
Nice save.
Oh, what a pass! Open. Ooh, it was almost open. I tried to get the boost.
Oh.
Oh, nice. Good shit.
Thank you.
You got 10 points.
I saw they both win. And I was like, word, I could just take it slow.
Word. Can't lie, bro. Got 10 points.
I know. Well, I mean, at least he's like in the right spot so that people have to hit it over him, if that makes sense.
Yeah, yeah.
So he's not being completely useless, but yeah. He's also not doing great either. Heavens. I'm awkward.
It's fine.
Nice, thank you. Pickle? God damn, dude.
Fuck, he just took the boost from there.
It's around him. What the? Oh, I was so bad. My fault.
Ooh, good shit, Pickle. This is not good. Wow. Fucking hell, I got bumped. I'm surprised they didn't score. We gotta get this pressure the fuck out of here. Nice. No, Pickle. Okay, at least he hit it. We'll just hit it, just try to go back.
I got.
Oh, wow, okay. One more? No, Pickle faked me! Pickle faked me! Pickle! That's his fake.
God.
Fuck. No, Pickle faked the shit and bro was clanging that shit. Fuck, that would've been so good.
I know, I'm so angry. I faked the fuck out of 2 of them, dude. Ah.
Oh, I almost just shot, like, fucking screamed the shit out
I
of me.
almost just shot.
I almost
Wait.
just shit myself.
Why are these guys so open all the time? What the
don't know.
fuck, Pickle? You do that? Like after all you just did? That was insane.
Yeah, that's pretty valid. Pickle valid, bro. He kinda with the shits now. I know Pickle got it, I'm gonna just wait on him. Wow.
Nice job, Pickle. Pickle one more right. Pop it up. I don't know why I said sorry. That was actually a really good pass. Off the corner, maybe. Open, open, open. He can't cap. He should have been there. Get fucking wrecked.
Thanks, bro. As you.
Finish it. Finish me.
God damn it. What the fuck? I got a flipper set off of him. Ooh, he was kind of scoring that. Pickle? Okay. That's fine. Oh, you fake! Oh! That's not what I wanted to do. Pickle?
I'll go.
Fake? I cut my
No.
momentum off entirely. Oh, we were only up by one. Fuck. Okay. I would have.
Yeah, dog.
would've been a lot.
Well, I didn't even get to record that because I ran out of space.
Nope, get shit on. It's okay, bro. I recorded it.
Hey.